Hello, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only essential for managing diabetes, but also crucial for overall well-being: 10 diabetes-friendly foods that promote gut health. A healthy gut is a cornerstone of good digestion, immunity, and more. Let's explore these nourishing options that can benefit both your blood sugar and your gut. 1. Greek yogurt. Probiotic-rich Greek yogurt supports a balanced gut microbiome, aiding in digestion and potentially enhancing insulin sensitivity. 2. Berries. Packed with antioxidants and fiber, berries can positively impact gut health and provide a delicious way to manage blood sugar. 3. Leafy greens. Fiber-filled leafy greens like spinach and kale promote a healthy gut environment and help regulate blood sugar levels. 4. Oats. Whole oats are high in soluble fiber, supporting digestive health and providing a steady source of energy for diabetics. 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and walnuts are nutrient-packed options that offer healthy fats and fiber for improved gut function. 6. Legumes. Beans and lentils are rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients that contribute to a well-balanced gut microbiome. 7. Fermented foods. Fermented options like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir introduce beneficial probiotics to your gut, aiding digestion and immune health. 8. Whole grains. Choose whole grains like brown rice and quinoa for sustained energy and fiber that supports both gut health and diabetes management. 9. Avocado. Loaded with monounsaturated fats and fiber, avocados can help maintain a healthy gut lining and provide stable energy. 10. Garlic and onions. These aromatic foods contain prebiotics that nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a balanced microbiome. Maintaining gut health is a proactive step towards managing diabetes and enjoying overall well-being. By incorporating these 10 diabetes-friendly foods, you're not only taking care of your blood sugar but also supporting your digestive health. Remember, individual needs may vary, so it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others on a similar journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on optimizing your health. Until next time, take care and nourish your gut.